Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to see how to calculate the dead weight loss. Okay, so before coming to this video, so there will be a video on how to find the profit maximizing price and output in perfect competition and monopoly. Okay, so kindly watch that video and come because this video is 100% continuation of that video only. Okay, so now what is meant by dead weight loss? So dead weight loss is nothing but so in a given market, okay, assume it is a general market. Okay, so in that we can find the profit maximizing price and output for perfect competition and monopoly. Okay, so if you observe those two price and those two quantity, so there will be a little quantity which is unused. Okay, so that is called as dead weight loss. Okay, now see this is the graph. Okay, here this is the price equation, that is the y-axis is the price equation and the x-axis is the quantity. Okay, so it is not price equation, it is the y-axis is price and x-axis is quantity. So there is a line called AG. Okay, so that line is called as the price line or demand equation. Okay, so we all know that for a demand equation and if MC is given, we can find the price and output for perfect competition and also the price and output for monopoly. Okay, so for perfect competition, we will be equating MC and AR or price. Okay, so for perfect competition, MC is equal to AR is equal to price. For monopoly, MC is equal to MR. Okay, so there is a small shortcut, right? For monopoly, everything will be M. Monopoly M, MC, MR. For perfect competition, MC is equal to AR. Okay, so now if you see here, this BC, okay, like this, there is a line in green, right? So that is the perfect competition price and output. So in perfect competition, we will have one price called B and one quantity, let this quantity be P. Okay, so this red color line is there, right? So this is the price and output for monopoly. So in monopoly, the price is F and let the quantity be Q. Okay, now what the thing is, see here, come look at this box. Here what I have written is ABC, that is this in this the triangle. Okay, see this ABC, right? Okay, that is called as consumer surplus in perfect competition. AFD, this smaller triangle is called as consumer surplus in monopoly, and this one there is a rectangle, right? BEDF. Okay, this rectangle is called as the producer surplus in monopoly, and this DEC, this is called as dead weight loss. Okay, so you don't have like just remember this alone. Okay, this if you plot this thing, you will get like if I like now if you don't understand, don't worry. If you go to the question, it will be very easy only. Okay, the question will be like this. Okay, so they will give one equation and the MC. Okay, so like this only we have seen in the last video also how to there will be one equation and the marginal cost will be given. With that we will be finding price and quantity in perfect competition and monopoly. Okay, the same we will be doing here also. And now in extra what we will do, we will plot that in a graph and we will find this area of the DEC. Okay, that's all we will be going to do. Okay, now if you see the question, I will explain. It will be very easy only. Now what they have given, so the equation P is equal to 60 minus 0.2 Q, and they have given marginal cost is equal to 20. In perfect competition, we all know that MC is equal to AR, that is equal to price. So now we can straight away equate MC and P. Okay, just a minute. So in perfect competition, we can straight away equate MC and price. So MC is equal to P. So MC is 20 that is equal to 60 minus 0.2 Q. So 0.2 Q is equal to 40, 2Q is equal to 400, Q is equal to 200. Okay, so quantity is equal to 200. Now what will be the price? So price is equal to 60 minus 0.2 Q. So it will be 60 minus 0.2 into 200. So it will be 20 into 2, 40. So the price will be equal to 20. 60 minus 40, that is 20, right? Okay. Yeah. So the price is 20 and the quantity is 200. Now, for the same equation, we will be finding price and the quantity in monopoly. Okay. So in monopoly, we will be equating MC is equal to MR. Okay. Now we have MC, but we don't have MR, right? So first, what is first MR is equal to what? Change in total revenue by quantity, right? That is differentiation of total revenue by quantity. So we can find total revenue. Total revenue is equal to price into quantity. So we have price 60 minus 0.2 Q multiplied with quantity. Okay. So total revenue will be equal to 60Q minus 0.2 Q square. So what is marginal revenue? Marginal revenue is equal to differentiation of total revenue with respect to quantity. Okay. So this differentiation I clearly explained in the last video itself. So marginal revenue is equal to what? 60 minus 0.4Q. Okay. Now I got MR and I also know MC is equal to 20 because this is given in the question itself. Now I just want to equate these two things only. Okay. So MC is equal to MR. So MC is equal to 20, right? So 20 is equal to 60 minus 0.4Q. 60 minus 0.4 Q. So 0.4 Q is equal to 40. 4Q is equal to 400. Q is equal to 100. Okay. Now we got the quantity. Now we want to find the price, right? So we have the price equation 60 minus 0.2 Q. Okay. So price is equal to 60 minus 0.2 Q. So P is equal to 60 minus 0.2 into 100. So price is equal to 60 minus 20. So P is equal to 40. Okay. Now see, now for this given equation, that is P is equal to 60 minus 0.2 Q and MC is equal to 20, we have found the price and quantity in perfect competition and monopoly. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am just simply going to plot this in a graph. Okay. First we will write the values here. Okay. In perfect perfect competition. So in perfect competition, price is equal to 20 and quantity is equal to 200. And in monopoly, price is equal to 40 and quantity is equal to 100. Okay. So also you find the profits. Okay. Like what I am saying is, for perfect competition, we have found the price and the quantity, right? So we know to find the profits, right? So I'll explain the Okay, now itself I will explain. So profit will, okay. So I will calculate here itself. We will calculate. Okay. I will calculate the dead weight loss on the next slide. Okay. So here, so profit in perfect competition. So profit will be equal to total revenue minus total cost. So total revenue is nothing but price into quantity, right? Total cost is nothing but MC into Q. Okay. So here MC is equal to 20 for both the things. Okay. So for in perfect competition, it will be 20 into 200 minus 20 into 200. So 4,000 minus 4,000, right? It is equal to 0. Now profit in monopoly. So same formula. Profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost. That is price into quantity minus MC into quantity. So 40 into 100 minus 20 into 100. So there will be a profit of 2000. Okay. Now we will calculate the deadweight loss. So in perfect competition, prices 20, quantity is 200. In monopoly, price is 40, quantity is 100. Okay, so now I will be plotting one graph. Okay, kindly adjust my handwriting. So this will be the demand line. Okay, so what is the demand line or price line? What is the equation? P is equal to 60 minus 0.2 Q, right? So P is equal to 60 minus 0.2 Q. Okay, now for perfect competition, I will use one different color. Okay. For perfect competition, I will use blue color. Okay. Now, so we all know this is the price, this is quantity. Okay. Now, so for perfect competition, P is equal to 20. Quantity is 200. Okay. So it will be like this. 20, 200. Okay. Now for monopoly, let's use another one color. Let's use green color. Okay. For monopoly, it will be the price is 40. Quantity is 100. So what is our ultimate aim? So ultimately we have to find the deadweight class. So deadweight class is this portion. Okay. Okay. So this is the deadweight loss question, right? So if we want to find this yellow color value, so it is just a triangle, right? So I want the value of this one. Okay. Very easily what we can do, see, this is 0. See, this height of the triangle is what? This is 20, this is 40. So the height of the triangle is 20, right? Because 40 minus 20, it will be 20. I will use different color. I will use black color. Okay, see, this is 0 I mean this point, okay? Now, see, I want the area of this triangle alone, okay? I want the area of this triangle alone, right? So, it is 0. Now, what is the height? So, this is 40, this is 20, means the height is 20. Now, this is 100, this is 200. So, the length or the base is 100. So, what is the area of the triangle? Half base into height. Okay. So, 1 by 2 into 20 into 100. So, it will be 1000. Okay. So, 1000 is the dead weight loss. But, like, if you do like this, ma'am will not give mark. So there is another one simple procedure only. Okay. So ultimately we know that 1000 is the answer, but you should not do like this. What we have to do before that, like now I told you, the answer is 1000 only. But there are few steps you have to do to derive this 1000. Okay. For to find that, you have to find the value of this point and this point. Okay. So how to find this value? See, that is at the beginning itself I should have explained. See, how to find the value of the point A and G. Okay. So we have the equation. So the equation is what? P is equal to 60 minus 0.2 Q. Now see, the point, I want the points A and G, right? The point A is in the y-axis. Okay. So y-axis means price. So in for that, to like simply guys, to find the value of point A, put the quantity as 0. Okay. To find point A, put quantity as 0 because it is in y-axis, right? In y-axis, quantity will be 0. In x-axis, price will be 0, right? It is just like this normal coordinate geometry only. In y-axis, any point in y-axis will have x coordinate as 0. Any point in y-axis will have sorry. Any point in y-axis will have x coordinate 0. Any point in x-axis have it y coordinate 0. Okay. So that's what we are going to do. So P is equal to 60 minus 0.2 into 0. So P is equal to 60. So that is the point A. The value of point A will be 0, 60. Okay. So the value of A is 60. That's what I'm trying to tell. Okay. The value of A is 60. Now, if we know, now what we have to do? We want to find the value of B. Sorry, not B, G. This right. So, G is in the x axis itself. So, the like what will be the it will be x comma 0, right? So, we want to find the value of this x. So, put the value of price as 0. Okay. To find point G, put price as 0. So it will be 0 is equal to 60 minus 0.2 Q. So 0.2 Q is equal to 60. So 2Q is equal to 600. Q is equal to 300. That means the value of G is 300. Okay. I hope you are clear. Okay. Now in this, so the value of this point is 60. The value of this point is 300. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to, first I will name the points. Okay. This is A. This is B. A, B, C, D, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So first what I will do, I will find Okay, I will write this formula for you. Okay, so that it will be easy. Deadweight loss is equal to mm, mm, area of ABC minus area of AFD plus area of BEDF. Okay, so what is the area of ABC? ABC is a triangle, right? So 1 by 2 into base into height. So base. So the BC length is what? From here to here, it is 200. And AB length is what? So 60, it is 40. So the whole height, sorry, the whole height will be 40 units. So 200 into 40 minus area of AFD 1 by 2 into the length is 100, height is 60 minus 40, that is 20, plus area of BDF, that is a rectangle, right? So 100 into 20. So it will be equal to 4000, right? 4000 minus 1000 plus 2000. So the answer is 1000. Okay. So like this only you have to calculate the dead weight loss. Okay. Straight away don't write. The dead weight loss is equal to area of DEC. That is half 20 into 100. Ma'am will not give marks. Okay. So just do like this. Okay. So it is very simple only. It will be take like in the beginning there is a lot of little confusion because the starting I'm not able to explain it in very accurately. I mean this slide. Okay. So what we have to do, if a question on dead weight loss is given, we have to find the profit maximizing price and quantity. Then we have to plot that in a graph. In the graph, this coordinates A and G. Okay. You have to find the coordinate of A and G. That is very important. So to find the coordinate of A, put quantity as 0. To find the coordinate of G, put price as 0. Then you will get to the points, plot everything in a graph, then use the formula dead weight loss is equal to area of ABC. Like don't write area of ABC, I forgot. What you have to write, this ABC is what? This I have written right here. So dead weight loss, how you have to write? Dead weight loss is equal to consumer surplus in price in perfect competition minus, so put a bracket, consumer surplus in monopoly plus producer surplus in monopoly, close the bracket. Okay, like this you have to write, and then in the next step you write like this: area of ABC minus area of AFD and plus area of BEDF, like this you do. Okay. That's all guys. Thank you. We will meet in next another video.